Hey everybody, this is Ryan, and I'm going to be doing a overview of this CJRB pocket knife. The company reached out to me and said, "Hey Ryan, can you do one of your super cool detailed reviews?" Because I don't think people have full appreciation for our pocket knife here. Of course I said yes, that's what I'm here to do, and I'm going to keep it real. So this will not affect in any way my review. Let me share with you what all you get. Now, this is the box it comes in. Very nice, very nice. So you know you're getting something that is on the old legit standpoint. Now, if you don't know anything about this brand, they have a whole cutlery line of products, and their team, their whole artisan team, pretty cool stuff on the inside of the box here. I will just do a call out. It says all CJRB knives are machined and assembled by the same team that works on all their premium artisan cutlery line. So these things are made by professionals, put together by professionals, made by hand, very, very well constructed. But let me show you what all you get. So this is the old pocket knife here, and it folds together like this. The length unopened is right at 3 and a smidge. I'm gonna say 3 1/8, approximately 3 1/8, maybe 3 1/4. Total length. And then when it pops open, again, you have this button right here. It is actually quite sharp. You have a button right here that allows it to fold and unfold, and it locks into place. You can hear it. Locks into place there. The blade length, I'd say 2 1/4 right there to right there. And then when open, the total length is, I'd say, right at, I'm rounding here, but right at about 5 1/4 full length. It has a little grip section right here. It's got a little serrated section right here. Again, the button right there. Very, very nice. Looks like it's got a hole here for a keychain, and then it has a clip here that you can use for like a belt, a utility belt or a pocket, whatever it is. So you have it tucked away so it's not gonna fall out of your pocket. Pretty cool stuff. It does come with a travel case. Very nice. You can see here the quality of it. I'm going to give it some props here. This is put together very nicely. It has it's like a suede, like a soft suede. You can kind of see there interior lining that will allow you to, I mean, because this is an investment. This is just not like your regular old pocket knife. This is, I can tell, this is an investment. So you could tuck that in there. It also comes with a soft, you can call it almost like when you have like really like premium sunglasses. Very similar, a little bit more durable towel that you could have for keeping your knife, your piece of cutlery here. Very, very nice. And then the carry case zips up. It does look like it has a little hook right here from a travel standpoint. All very nice stuff. So now you might be wondering what the material is of this here blade that is extremely sharp. It's kind of scary sharp. The you can see there, it just like slices like through butter. I mean, look at that. I mean, it's very sharp. The tip, I mean, I'm not even really trying. Like I'm not like barely pressure. It's slicing like slicing and dicing. And the steel is AR-RPM9 steel. So if you know anything about that, whatever that means, it really doesn't matter to me. It just tells me that this is made of some premium steel. I mean, this thing, if it comes to cutting fruit, slices through it like butter. If you're doing, let's just say, electrical work, this is an example of how easy you can see this blade slices through the electrical wires. And so if you need something that's going to cut through copper wire sheathing, it's just, if you've ever done anything like that before, what a pain it can be. And this stuff just slices through it. So I can just say you probably got this from the video, but let me reiterate, you have a very nice pocket knife here. If the dimensions there fit your need, if the convenience of having the button that opens, locks in place also fits your need, nice travel case, this just might be the pocket knife for you. Hopefully that helps, and we'll talk to you soon.